Ms. Whitaker's words of wisdom again. We're going to multiply fractions and mix numbers. Start off with 2/3 times 1/5. When we are multiplying fractions, we multiply our numerators, the top numbers. We multiply our denominators, the bottom numbers. And then I look and see if it will reduce. It won't, so I'm through. Let's try 2/5 times 2/5. Again, multiply my top numbers, multiply my bottom numbers. I have 4/25, and those will not reduce. Let's try another. I'm going to show you two different ways to do this one. I have 3/5 times 1/12. Okay, again, I can still do my top numbers. I can do my bottom numbers. Once I get here, I'm going to have to reduce. And I can reduce by 3/3, which gives me 1/20. If I'm not sure about this, I just do 60 divided by 3. My long division. If you have trouble with long division, there's a video for long division also. So I have this. You really need to try and learn how to cross-reduce. That'll make your life a lot easier. So I'm taking the same problem, but I'm going to look at the numbers that are across from each other. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now I'm going to multiply what is left. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 4 is 20. That won't reduce. And you'll see we get the same answer. Okay, one more. And then we'll go into the mixed numbers. If I have 2/3 times 9/10. Okay, again, I can go through, multiply the top, multiply the bottom, but I'm going to have to reduce this. So now I have 6/10. That'll reduce again. Divide by 2/2 gives me 3/5. Or, if I learn how to cross-reduce, make my life easy, 2 divided by 2 leaves me 1, 10 divided by 2 leaves me 5. Look at these. 3 divided by 3 is 1, 9 divided by 3 is 3. Multiply my top numbers, multiply my bottom numbers, 3/5. Again, I come out with the same answer, just I don't have to use quite as big a numbers, and I'm not having to reduce as much. Okay, let's go to a couple of mixed numbers. If you have problems going from a mixed number into an improper fraction, there's a video for that. You need to go back and check that out. So when I have 2 2/5 times 4 1/4, I want to make this improper. I cannot multiply mixed numbers. 2 times 5 is 10, 11, 12. So this is 12/5. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17/4. Again, I can multiply the top, I can multiply the bottom, or I can cross-reduce. I'm going to have an awful big number if I multiply the top. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cross-reduce. Now I have 17 times 3, which gives me 61. And I have 5 times 1. Now, that's an improper fraction. Ooh, wait a minute. This word can better slow down. 3 times 1 is 3, 4, 5. See, I make mistakes too, so we all need to slow down every now and then. 51 divided by 5, that is an improper fraction. Top in, bottom out. Okay, long division. If you have trouble with this, again, there's a video. Have to take step by step. Bring down, then 1 divided by 5. What times 5 gives me 1 or close to it without going over? I take that. So my answer is 10 wholes and 1/5. 10 wholes and 1/5. Okay, do one more of these. let's say I have 1 1/3 times 4. Have to make it improper. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4/3. Again, the kids call this Texas method. Times, if I have a whole number, the whole number has to go over 1. That is a must. There's nothing to cross reduce. 4 times 4 is 16. 3 times 1 is 3. Improper fraction. 16 divided by 3 gives me 4. I subtract. When I subtract and I look and see, is 4 smaller than 3? No, it's not. Then I know I can take out more. You need to be very careful with that because that's a problem for a lot of my kids. If you'll learn the division steps of compare, is 1 smaller than 3? Yes, then I did take out enough. So now I have 5 wholes and 1/3. Hopefully that will help you on the multiplying fractions and mixed numbers.